everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Craftessa, and I am Vanessa. For today's DIY, we're going to create this really cool and modern mirror using a Dollar Tree round mirror and some shower curtain rings. So let's get crafting. So I took the mirror out of its frame because we're going to eventually spray paint this piece once we're done. What you're going to do is you're going to take the shower curtain rings and hot glue them around the black mirror frame. Once you're done with that, you're going to repeat the same process all around those rings until you've used up all the rings. I used about 3 packages of the shower curtain rings. So this is the finished piece, and I'm going to take some Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint in silver and give it a couple of coats. I'm going to let each coat dry in between before applying the next. So let's begin. So now that the paint is dry, I'm going to add little beads in between each of the shower curtain ring clasps. 1, to try and camouflage it, and 2, to give it a little pop because the silver paint that I use is not as shiny as I thought it would be. So I'm going to use the beads that are pretty shiny, and I'm going to use them to camouflage the opening of each of the rings and to give it a little pop. So let's keep on adding the beads. So now that the beads have been attached and everything is in place, I'm going to put the mirror back in. I'm going to add some E6000 glue to it and some hot glue in order for it to be secure. I don't want it to fall off since I did pry the mirror out of its frame. And this will be our last step and we will be completely done.